Happy Monday, students, and welcome to a new week. This should look familiar to you. You should have completed this on Friday. It was our brainstorming web that we did about a food memory that we have. And this is just an example of mine. Yours will look totally different, but this is from Friday. So what you may want to do is to go back to Friday's assignment and open this up so that you have your brainstorming map in front of you, because today we're going to start writing our memoir about our food, our memory, okay? So just to refresh your memories, mine was about Tootsie Rolls, and it was when I lived in an apartment, so we went trick-or-treating at the mall. I got a bucket full of Tootsie Rolls, and then I sorted them into all different sizes, okay? So you have one of these that you should have already completed. If you haven't done that, you need to do that first from Friday, okay? Then what you're going to do is you are going to write your story. You are going to tell that story about your food. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go to the actual assignment for today. It looks like this, writing a memoir. You'll notice that I have included for you a commonly misspelled words list. So if you need that, use it. It's got a lot of words on here that people have a hard time spelling. So if you get stuck, that's there to help you, okay? Also, what you're going to do is you're going to click it where it says Food Memoir. You need to be logged in to your Google Drive to be able to do this. And you will then type your actual story here, okay? What it will actually look like is it will say, insert title here. Okay, but you'll delete that and you'll put in your own title. So I might say the Tootsie Roll Halloween. And then you're going to type your story. You want to have it left aligned, but you want to indent. So when we first type a story, every paragraph should be indented. You're going to hit the tab button one time and you're going to start typing from there. It was the first Halloween after my parents got divorced. Okay, then I'm just going to keep typing my whole story. Now, I am going to show you an example of the one that I did so that you have an idea of what it could be. Now, it does not have to be this long. I know this looks super duper long. I was just giving you an example, okay? Just as long as we get the point across and you give me all those good details about your memory, you'll be good. It was the first Halloween after my parents' divorce. I was 5 years old, and Mom and I lived in a small 2-bedroom apartment. My room had a large cutout window that opened up into the living room with folding shutters. I loved playing McDonald's drive-thru with that window. Anyway, being in an apartment, Mom wasn't sure about trick-or-treating from door to door, and if the neighbors would even hand out candy. She decided to take me to the mall and trick-or-treat from store to store. We did just that. As we kept going, we both realized that my trick-or-treat bucket was filled with one thing: Tootsie Rolls. Did every store decide to just hand out Tootsie Rolls? What was going on? Now, Tootsie Rolls are good and everything, but it's Halloween. Isn't it all about getting all of the different types of candy you possibly can and trying new ones you've never seen before? It's the one night a year you might get to try something new or something you had last year but couldn't remember the name of, but was really awesome. Sorting them into little piles, giving your parents the ones they used to love when we were kids, trading with your best friend. Nope, not this year. A whole bucket of Tootsie Rolls is what I got. The only sorting I could do was make piles of different sized Tootsie Rolls, but they all tasted like their chewy, chocolatey selves. No variety. I got so sick of them that I didn't eat them for years. For the rest of my life, Tootsie Rolls will always remind me of my famous Tootsie Roll Halloween. Again, yours doesn't have to be that long, but I want to hear your stories, all right? It's going to be awesome. So remember, you're going to be typing it in here, and then you'll submit it as your final draft. Cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say.